have a lever here.
Okay.
Just pull, it will open there.
Oh.
Okay. Again you have a small lever there which you need to push it sideways and then you can lift the bonnet and you can lock the bonnet.
Okay.
For fueling you have a lever here. You have to
Okay.
pull it upwards.
Okay.
For adjustment of the seats, you can slide this, hold this and slide front and back.
Okay.
This is for height adjustment
Okay.
or down if you want to make it.
Okay.
This is for recline and incline of these seats.
Okay.
Steering you can adjust from here.
Okay.
Push that down, up, down, to, fro. Okay. After that, you can lock it as you require. Now coming to how to start the vehicle. You have to press the brake. You have to use only one leg, that is right leg.
Yeah.
Left leg you should not use. Press the brake. Gear lever should be on the P mode. Okay. Once you press that and press this button, vehicle will start.
Okay.
Then you can put it to, there is a four options: reverse, neutral, drive and low gear ratio.
Okay.
R is for reversing, N is for neutral, D is for regular driving, L is for driving on a steep conditions.
Okay.
Also you have a button here. That is
Yeah.
called sport mode.
Okay.
That is for when you are wanting to overtake somebody or you are on the highway, you want to overtake. Just press that button, you will get additional power and torque and vehicle will pull faster. Again you have to press it back to bring it to normal. Okay. So now coming to this other controls. Before coming there, I will explain these controls.
Okay.
This is auto folding mirrors. When you lock, it folds.
Okay.
When you ignite, it unfolds. But however, you have the option here.
Okay.
So press, it folds.
Okay.
Again, unpress, it unfolds.
Okay.
Here you have an option. This is L. L is nothing but left side mirror.
Okay.
R is nothing but right side mirror. So now I have put it to R. I like a joystick, I can use it.
Okay.
So it will shift accordingly.
Okay.
Center it doesn't work.
Okay.
This is for center locking.
Okay.
By default it happens, but however you can manually also do it. Lock, unlock.
Okay.
Window locks.
Oh, okay.
Only driver window will work, all the rest will not work.
Oh.
This is the driver side auto up and down with anti-pinch. If you put your hand in between undoing here also,
Okay.
that will sense and come down automatically. Only driver side.
Okay.
Rest is all power windows. Now coming back to this. This is for opening and closing the vents and adjustments for AC.
Okay.
If I talk about the lightings, you can see there is auto mentioned here.
Yeah.
Auto is for when you make it into auto mode when you are driving in the dark time, it will automatically switch on the headlamps. It will automatically switch off also if the lighting is there.
Okay.
This is manually making it on. So now the DRL is getting on. That is a parking mode.
Okay.
This is the regular headlamps on manually.
Okay.
When you push it down, this is the high beam. The blue light got on there.
Okay.
Correct.
Yeah.
So that is high beam. If you want to do flashing,
Okay. Flashing.
this is for the fog lamp. Here you can see, no? Just rotate like this.
Okay. Fine. Fine.
So fog lamps are on now.
Okay.
So I'll put it to off now. You can keep it in auto mode regularly, not a problem.
Okay.
In
So in
you
auto
can
mode,
use
the
high beam
DRL
closing
will
board.
be.
Yeah?
In auto mode, DRL will be on, right?
No, no, no.
Oh. Fine.
DRL will be on once you start the vehicle only.
Oh.
Okay, that will be on. But your headlamps will get on and off only once the outside lighting is darker or lighter. If the light is more, it will not get on.
Okay.
If it is dark, it will get on.
Okay. Fine.
Okay. So this part is clear, no?
Yes.
So wiper is that side.
Okay.
So if you pull the lever this way, like this,
Ah.
that is wash and wipe
Okay.
for the front.
Okay.
So push it like this, that is only wipe
Okay.
until you hold it.
Okay.
1, 2 and 3 steps, there is different speed level of wiping without water
Okay.
for the front. Okay, if you want it for rear,
Okay.
you have to rotate this. This is until you hold it, it will wipe
Okay.
with water.
Okay.
On is only wiping
Okay.
without water. This is again with water until you hold it.
Okay, fine.
For rear only.
Rare, okay. Yeah,
Okay, this part is clear, right?
yes.
So I think you can have a seat. So now I am not starting the vehicle,
Okay.
but I am just pressing this once. So the system is getting on now.
Okay.
Okay, if I press once again, this cluster is getting on here.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
I think you can make that press that off button so that fan will get off. Off.
Oh.
Off. Yeah. So this part is clear, right?
Yes, yes.
So vehicle engine will start only once you press the brake and press this button. Until then engine will not get on.
Okay.
Now all these indications are available here.
Okay.
This is because engine is still off. Once
Okay.
the engine is on, most of these symbols will go away. For example, what it indicates, it's mentioned in your manual book also, but let me brief you something.
Okay.
This is for the engine malfunction light. If any kind of fault in the engine,
No.
that yellow one
Okay.
will indicate you. Okay, that if it is coming when the engine is on, then you have to consider to get service or check with the service people. This is for the seat belt you are not wearing.
Okay.
It will come. Door open. If it is open, it will come. Engine oil low. Warning. Battery not charging. Warning. Okay. Handbrake not released. This is power steering having a issue. This is fuel warning. If it is in reserve.
Okay.
So lots of symbols are there which will be visible when the ignition is on, but once the engine is started, most of them will go away.
Okay.
If it still comes, you can cross check.
Okay. So what is it? 36 kilometers and 42?
This is total driven kilometer.
Okay.
Okay, and this is trip B, which I'll just make it 0 for you. Sorry, trip A is 0. Trip B is also 0.
Okay.
Your original distance traveled is 42 kilometers. As I said you, it will be roughly around 40 kilometers, which I said you earlier. So this is what it is. So they have test driven your vehicle, and also we have driven to get it the accessories fitted and bring to the showroom.
Okay.
So total, that is later on that will continue. Total. Okay, got off.
Yeah.
So later on what will happen is when you are driving, this Odo will keep running. But if you want to calculate the trip from
Okay.
here, how much distance for your how much is the distance for your home or from somewhere else, you can check on trip A and trip B.
Okay. Yeah.
This side if you click, let it come. This is showing calendar, today's date, month, year, time. Okay. If you
Okay.
want to change that,
Okay.
that also I'll show you later.
Okay.
But let me explain you the other visibilities. This is torque and power. How when you accelerate,
Okay.
it will show you the graphic display.
Okay.
The more power you use, the more fuel is consumed.
Okay.
So you have to be constant on that. Even your RPM will vary. This is average fuel efficiency because vehicle is driven only up and down here. So I'll just make it 0. Okay.
Okay.
Now henceforth, how you drive, based on that you will get the average mileage because you will drive on the road.
Okay. Yeah.
But for sure, at least till 1 or 2 services,
Okay.
you have to maintain a constant speed,
Okay.
constant RPM,
Okay.
maximum possible, so that your engine wear and tear will be less.
Okay.
Because in the beginning it has to set. Okay.
Yeah.
Only then engine life will improve, fuel efficiency will improve later on. First few kilometers, few thousands kilometers will not get a maximum fuel efficiency.
Okay.
Range is nothing but once you fuel your vehicle.
Okay.
Once you fuel your vehicle, it will start showing you based on the present fuel
Okay.
how many kilometers further you can drive based on your past driving trend.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, that is the approximate idea it will give you. That's all. This is average fuel used, average kilometer driven per liter.
Okay.
Average kilometer driven per liter. Average speed per hour.
Okay.
Okay, this is total driving time what they are showing. Once you start the engine, it will start counting here. Okay, so I'll
is it
make
6
that also
hours?
0.
6 hours, huh?
We have to test, no?
6 hours you have tested.
Yeah?
6 hours we have tested. Huh?
We have to test, we have to drive and bring the vehicle. All those times, whenever it is on, the time will start running.
Uh-huh. Okay, fine. Yeah.
So this part is clear, no? This is again the previous screen.
Okay.
Now you want to do kind of customizations.
Okay.
You can press and hold this.
Okay.
Now you see a lot of options are coming here.
Yeah.
You have the option to twist here.
Okay.
You can twist like this. So it is changing. So what you want to change there? You want to change clock? You can click that.
Okay.
Time is correct. Yes, it is 11:10. Okay. So I'll just go to clock. Adjust clock. It is 11:07. It is showing. So I'll go to next. Sorry, 11. Here I will go to make it 11:10 or 11. Okay. So I'll again press it. It is successful. So you want which format? 12 hour, 24 hour. Adjust date.
Okay, fine.
Okay. So I'll make it back now. So same way you can go to door lock unlock option also. Door unlocking. Or it is driver door. When you press this access button, no. Once only driver door will unlock. All doors will be locked only.
Oh, okay.
If you press twice immediately, then all doors will get unlocked. But if you want one click all doors to open, you can put it to driver all doors.
Okay.
If you put it here, now see it is
All doors.
all doors. So one click, all doors will open. Which one you want actually?
No, driver door.
Driver. That is for safety reason when you are driving in the night drives, evening.
Yeah.
When you are alone, your valuables are there.
Oh.
Only one door will open, you are safe. Same way, auto locking, you have the options.
Oh.
This is speed synchro. Once you start moving the vehicle,
Oh.
20 speed it will auto lock.
Okay.
Otherwise manual lock, otherwise shift synchro. Once you shift that lever,
Oh.
based on that. So speed synchro is common.
Yeah, combination.
Same way auto unlock. At what position you want the vehicle to unlock? Ignition off.
Oh.
Once you switch off the vehicle, only then it will unlock.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now same way, alarm is for setting it on and off. It is always on.
Oh.
So same way, light, guide me light, anti-theft you can set. I'll explain those things.
Okay.
Once you start using the vehicle, I'll start explaining everything.
Okay.
So you just use some of the features. After that you call me, I will guide you on the other features.
Okay.
So this part is clear, right?
Yes. That is clear.
So hope I can come that side to explain you.
Yeah, no problem.
స్టార్ట్ చేస్తావా లేదంటే ఒకసారి
ఎందుకు ఇంకా టైం ఉందిగా.
You want to now connect your Bluetooth.
Okay.
Okay, you can click here. I will just clear this what they have tested before whether it is working or not working.
Okay.
Okay, but to pair your phone now, you have a add device option. Search from phone means your phone will search this device.
Okay.
Search from infotainment if you click.
Okay.
This device will search your phone.
Okay.
If your Bluetooth is made active.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
we have any locking system in that screen
Yeah.
we have any locking system in that screen
Yes, you can. You can put it to standby mode. So
because
music will play, but it won't be visible.
because she will take us continuously for that.
So this part is clear, no?
Yes.
Okay, I'll just make it back. So now media. What all will be connected like FM, AM, DRM is by default. Rest everything USB you have to connect there. Bluetooth once it is connected only it will show. Aux if you connect it will show. Okay. Now coming to connectivity. That is for your smartphone. This Smart Play
Okay,
Studio, all
okay.
those things.
Okay.
But Smart Play Studio works through Bluetooth.
Okay.
AHA Radio works through Bluetooth.
Okay.
And Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Navi Maps. That works through
Oh,
cable.
okay. Cable. Yeah. Okay.
That's clear, no?
Yes.
So I think you have downloaded this Smart
Yeah,
Play
yeah.
Studio.
Yeah, I downloaded. Yeah.
So just go to the Smart Play Studio.
Okay, I need to.